Hello and welcome back to my channel, GK My Way. More and more young people from wealthy countries are spending time in communities in poorer countries doing unpaid work such as teaching or building houses. Why is this? Who benefits more from this, the communities or these young people? Introduction. It is often observed that increasing number of young people from high-income countries engage themselves in voluntary activities for community betterment in impoverished nations. Many reasons have surfaced as a result of multiple studies, and in my viewpoint, such humanitarian work is more advantageous for the communities to a large extent. Both the causes as well as my opinion is reviewed further. Body 1. Discussing the reasons. Most importantly, voluntary experience of such type gets immediate acknowledgement in young people's resume. Through unpaid work of any kind, the youngsters who come from privileged background gain people skills as organization insight, communication skills, learn empathy and groom themselves to deal with challenging people as well as situations. Besides professional advantage, the young people get a sense of fulfillment. Participating in voluntary work and interacting with people from low-income countries, the young not only develop a sense of direction for their career, but also become aware of many global issues. Body 2. Addressing the latter question, as mentioned, the people in poor countries are at an advantage to a major degree. The biggest plus is that those in third world nations receive free help and also learn variety of new aspects. Young volunteers from rich countries are happy to work for free, which forms a huge unpaid workforce for the receiving countries. This proves a remarkable and impactful gain. Moreover, the volunteers teach at schools, teach the young professionals in poor countries technology at work, in agriculture and to build homes. All this puts the poor country in momentum for progress. Simultaneously, when young volunteers return to their home country, they will definitely spread the graveness of the issue. Consequently, more young people in prosperous countries are inspired to participate in such selfless services. Conclusion. To sum up, the requirement for an improved competition profile as well as the determination to help the disadvantaged drive the young people from the developed countries to participate in charitable work in poor countries. Both the young volunteers and the communities in poor countries gain. One learns humanity while the other receives timely help. Sharing and earning makes the world a better place. Thank you for watching video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe now for more content like this.